Hello everyone, my name is Alif and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where we will learn the data analysis from the beginning. So today we are going to learn the Vlookup. What is Vlookup? Vlookup is the vertical lookup is used to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a corresponding value from another column in the same row. It is commonly used in sales report, employee records, the product price list and databases. So what is the syntax of VLOOKUP? The VLOOKUP means it will call lookup value, table array, column index number and range lookup. So what is the lookup value? The value you want to find out, table array, the range where the data is located, column index number is column number from which the result will be returned. Range lookup is the true approximate match or false exact match. So let's quickly get on to the example. So we have a data table over here which carries the ID number, name, department and salary. So how to find out the ID number 103, find the name of ID number 103. So let's quickly call the VLOOKUP. So we need to find out the lookup value. What is the lookup value? Lookup value is 103. Okay, 103 comma. Now let's look for the table array. So table array, we need to select the table, the full table. We need to find out the column index number. So column index number is the name column. Name column is located in number 2. So we need to put the false. Okay, so we need to close the bracket, range lookup and enter. The result is Nusrat. So we have already find out Nusrat is located in 103. Okay, so 103's name is Nusrat. We have already got it. So can we find the department of ID number 104? Where is department located? Department located is in the third column. Okay, so let's quickly go through the VLOOKUP function, and lookup value is 104. Okay, 104. So now let's go for the table array. So we have already selected the table array. The column index is department. So department is number 3 and the false is the exact match. Okay, so let's close the bracket, and this is the result we have called the which is sales. Okay, now let's how to find the salary of ID number 102. Okay, 102 is located here, and we need to find out the salary in the column number 4. So we look up and lookup value, we need to find out 102, and we need to select the whole table as a result, as an output, and the column index number is number 4. So we need to call the false number. So this is I'm going to close, and the result is 35,000. So how to deal with NA error? So we need to call the occurs when value is not found. Okay, so we look up, we have got 110 number. So there is no 110. We selected already, this is wrong selection. So we need to call it B, and number 3. So and D is number 8. Okay, so this is the table array, and D, not D, it's E. So we have call it, and number 2 and false, we put false. So if we can find out, okay, it found not applicable. Okay, So solution is using if error. So how we will call the if error? If error, we need to call if error, first bracket vlookup 110 a2, sorry, beg your pardon, there is a mistake. So this is the number we need to call it, and we need to put it over here, so that we may call the value. So not found is found, there because there is no information available in here. So important rules is lookup value must be in the first column index must be inside the selected table, and use false for exact match. Okay, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel, and share with your friends and family who are data enthusiasts and willing to learn the data analysis from the beginning. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and put a like on my Facebook page. Thank you. Have a nice day.